In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete your YouTube account but keep your Google account. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up YouTube app. Make sure you are signed into your YouTube account and then tap right here where it says You. On the next step, tap right here where it says Google account. Then you will be taken to that page where you need to tap Add Data and Privacy here. After that, select Data from apps and services you use. After that, here, tap Add YouTube. Then tap Add Delete a Service. Then hit Add Delete a Service right there. On the next step, you need to confirm your identity. I'm gonna hit right here and I'm gonna select Enter your password because I can't autofill it. Then I'm gonna hit Next. And that's where we need to tap at that trash icon next to YouTube to delete all my YouTube channels. As you can see, I got more than 1,000 videos uploaded. And then to delete all YouTube content, including YouTube videos, comments, likes, all YouTube channels, we just need to hit right here at that trash bin. On the next step, just tap at I want to permanently delete my content. Now here we can check the entire data that is going to be removed. We need to check mark that option and that one too. Then to continue, hit Add Delete My Content. And now at that final step, we need to enter our email address here. That's where we can check it. So we just need to re-enter it right there. And then to start the deletion process, we just need to hit right here where it says Delete My Content. After that, all your YouTube data from your Google account will be removed. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.